Today we're going to talk about budgeting. We finished up our taxes from last year about a month ago and realized that we were considered low income in Canada. We were kind of surprised.
You might be wondering, how are we able to travel and to go on to all these adventures that you can check over here? And the answer is we're really good at budgeting.
Budgeting isn't this big thing that can be really difficult. It's actually quite a simple process, and you've already taken the first step by watching this video.
So budgeting is good for the following reasons. It helps you track your money so you know what you're spending it on and you learn to value your money more. And it also helps you work towards your goals. This is going to keep you motivated, and for us that means traveling and more recently our wedding. So we're working really hard towards saving the amount of money that we need.
Once you've got those, figure out how much you make each month. Check out your pay stubs from the month before and the month before that, and come up with about a 3-month average of how much you have to work with.
The next thing is to track your expenses. So you want to know where your money is going towards, and you can keep track of this either by using pen and paper, getting an app, or maybe just keeping the receipts. It doesn't matter how you do it as long as you know where the money is going.
Take your goals and put those as your first priority. Doesn't matter how much you save towards those goals each month, it's as long as you're putting a little bit towards it. You might be able to make a bank transfer of a certain amount every month towards a separate bank account, that's great. But if you're just putting some money towards a jar on your kitchen counter every single month, then that is a fantastic start as well.
Once you get started and are more comfortable with putting some money aside, you can always revisit your goal and maybe change some habits in order to increase that saving amount. And this might mean not going out so much and maybe learning how to cook at home in order to save more money.
Think about what you're spending, and it's going to be a great help towards meeting those saving goals.
So let us know in the comment section below what's holding you back from setting up a budget and what's one of your goals for savings.
And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed the video, the like button as well. Have a great day, and happy travels, and happy budgeting from Nomad Bears.